The Pakistani government has announced financial aid to rebuild the terror infrastructure destroyed by Indian missile strikes, and a large part of the IMF loan will be used to fund the terror infrastructure. Pakistan government will give 14 crore rupees compensation to JEM chief, following the 14 casualties in his family due to Indian strike. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh visited the Bhuj Air Force Station, where he said that India has kept Pakistan on probation and will give strictest punishment if its behaviour changes. A retired Air Marshal of the Pakistan Air Force has confirmed that Pakistan's Bolari Air Base was struck by 4 Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles on 10th May, that resulted in the destruction of a SAAB 2000 AWACS and significant casualties.
ये 10 की सुबह को हुआ बिकॉज मेरी कुछ लोगों से बात भी हुई। उस बेस के ऊपर 4 सरफेस टू सरफेस ब्राह्मोस मिसाइल आए, सरफेस टू सरफेस या एयर टू सरफेस, ये मुझे नहीं पता। तो पायलट्स जो हैं वो पहले दौड़े कि वो अपने जहाजों को सिक्योर करें। अच्छा। और जैसे ही पहला आया वो जूम करके ऊपर से दूसरा आया, फिर तीसरा आया, फिर चौथा आया, जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली बुलारी में डायरेक्टली आके एक हैंगर पे लगा जहां पे एक हमारा AWACS खड़ा था, जो डैमेज हुआ, जहां पे शहादतें भी हुई।
The Indian Army has released a request for information for the procurement of next-generation multiple-launch rocket system under Make in India program that will be a pod-based system supporting 122 mm, 214 mm and 300 mm rockets. The Defence Ministry has given preliminary approval to military modernization proposals worth over 54,000 crore rupees today. That includes additional Army and Air Force regiments of 450 km range Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles worth 20,000 crore rupees, 6 improved Netra Mark 1A airborne early warning and control aircraft, upgraded Russian engines for T-90 tanks, ship-launched Varunastra torpedoes, and Russian Shtil anti-aircraft missiles for its 4 new upgraded Talwar-class frigates. Official reports have confirmed that the Indian Air Force used remote pilotless target aircraft to mimic fighter jets that lured Pakistani Air Force fighters and air defence systems into targeting false threats, exposing critical Pakistani radar and command and control positions. Pakistan Air Force attempted to use the 250 km range CM-400 supersonic missile to target the Indian S-400 system. However, the Pakistani gambit ended in failure, as the JF-17 flight path was detected by Netra Mark 1, and an interceptor of the S-400 destroyed the CM-400 in midair. According to media reports, the US media's alignment with Pakistani narratives has kindled anger among Indian officials, which has significantly dimmed prospects for the F-35A in India, and India is reportedly planning to stall talks with the US until the end of Trump's presidency. While France's Dassault Aviation has agreed to assist in integrating Indian-made weapons into the 26 Rafale Marine and 36 Rafale F-3R fighters, but India's quest for deeper integration of indigenous radar and avionics into its Rafale fighter jets has hit a roadblock, as Dassault Aviation has shown reluctance to share access to the aircraft source code. Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited have signed a teaming agreement to jointly develop advanced electronic devices for wheeled armored fighting vehicles. Turkey's former military attaché in Azerbaijan has raised concern over Armenia's procurement of AWACS surface-to-air missile system from India. The Indian government has revoked the security clearance of Turkish ground handling firm Sellerby Airport Services, that was responsible for ground handling operations at 9 major Indian airports, and the government is also re-evaluating several billion-dollar Turkish deals in various sectors. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.